Let's face it, no trip to Iceland is complete without trying the food. From skyr to pilsur, these are the tasty words you'll need as you're eating your way through the country. Vatn, 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 vatnið, vatnið, vatnið. Water, the water, vatnið. Just remember the water in Iceland is clean and pure and you can drink it from the tap. Vatnið gott á Íslandi. And sometimes the water in Iceland tastes even better when you've filtered it through coffee grounds. Kaffi, 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 kaffið, kaffið, kaffið. Coffee or the coffee. Kaffið. Bjór, bjór, bjór. Bjórinn, bjórinn, bjórinn. Beer, the beer. Kjúklingur, kjúklingur, kjúklingur. Kjúklingurinn, kjúklingurinn, kjúklingurinn. Nautakjöt, nautakjöt, nautakjöt. Nautakjötið, nautakjötið, nautakjötið. Beef, lambakjöt, lambakjöt, lambakjöt. Lambakjötið, lambakjötið, lambakjötið. Lamb, literally lamb meat. Fiskur, fiskur, fiskur. Fiskurinn, 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 fiskurinn. Fish, the fish. Skyr, skyr, skyr. Skyrið, skyrið, skyrið. Skyr, the skyr. And there really isn't any sort of translation of this word. Skyr is sort of its own unique thing. An Icelandic yogurt-style dairy product full of protein and deliciousness. Flatkaka, flatkaka, flatkaka. Flatkakan, flatkakan, flatkakan. English translation, flatbread. Literal translation, flat cake. Harðfiskur, harðfiskur, harðfiskur. Harðfiskurinn, harðfiskurinn, harðfiskurinn. Literal translation, hard fish. And in English this is dried fish or fish jerky. This is a very classic Icelandic snack, delicious with butter. Brennivín, brennivín, brennivín. Brennivínið, brennivínið, brennivínið. Literal translation, burning wine. This is an Icelandic schnapps. Sometimes it's been referred to as Black Death. I don't think they can call it that anymore, Black Death. Rúgbrauð, rúgbrauð, rúgbrauð. Rúgbrauðið, rúgbrauðið, rúgbrauðið. And in English this is rye bread, rye bread. Kleinur, kleinur, kleinur. Kleinurnar, kleinurnar, kleinurnar. And this is sort of a twisted donut. It doesn't have any sort of literal translation exactly, but in English we could call this a twisted donut or the twisted donuts. So kleina, kleinur, donuts, kleinurnar, the donuts, twisted ones, that is. And then kleina, 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 kleina is the singular form. And a kleina or kleinur is a coffee time classic here in Iceland. Another Icelandic classic, pilsa, pilsa, pilsa. Pilsan, pilsan, pilsan. Hot dog or the hot dog. This is Iceland's specialty and a national street food dish. Num 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 num. Ís, ís, ís. Ísinn, ísinn, ísinn. Ice cream, the ice cream. Icelanders eat this year-round, even in the wintertime. Ís, já takk. Ice cream, yes please. So hey, thank you for watching, and if you're ready to start learning Icelandic with me, check out the links below. I've got online courses, free resources, and one-on-one lessons. Takk fyrir og bless bless.